So today's experience was a very new experience for me. Today was Youth Skills Day, and our topic was first aid. We had a lot of fun. My team, Advik, Siddharth, and all. We had a lot of fun. Presents and so this was a new experience for us, and I liked it a lot. Thank you.
So I'm standing next to the best of waste youth skills, and I think they have just done a fantastic job. And they convey that there is so much creativity which can come out of waste and waste materials, and at the same time it's also telling people that don't create too much waste, right? And kind of consume what you need, don't consume whatever you want, and reduce waste. And they have done such a fantastic job, and thanks to the kids and thanks to Sunil. Really,
It looks like a very interesting initiative, making children aware of many concepts around the world, like how you use your money interestingly or become aware of good food habits and many good skills that I'm happy to see this initiative. Thank you.